Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play block puzzle game. This easy method will help you master the game quickly. The game board is usually a 10 by 10 grid, giving you 100 squares to work with. Blocks come in many shapes, and your main objective is to place them to form complete horizontal or vertical lines. When a line is full, it disappears, clearing space for more blocks. It's a simple concept, but mastering it requires a bit of strategy. Strategic placement is key to success. Always prioritize creating full lines, whether they are horizontal or vertical. Try to leave open spaces, especially for those larger, more awkward block shapes that are harder to fit. Thinking 2 or 3 moves ahead can significantly improve your board management. Don't just place blocks randomly. Consider where future blocks might go and how they will impact your available space. To truly excel, aim for clearing multiple lines at once. Clearing 2, 3, or even 4 lines with a single block placement yields significantly higher scores. Also, try to achieve combos by clearing lines in rapid succession. This often involves setting up your board so that several lines are almost complete. Efficiently using every block shape, even the challenging ones, is crucial for maintaining a clear board and maximizing your score potential. For advanced play, try to keep the center of your board as open as possible. This gives you more flexibility for placing larger blocks later on. Regular practice will naturally improve your spatial reasoning and pattern recognition, making it easier to see potential line clears. Remember to adapt your strategy based on the blocks you are given. Sometimes you need to make a less-than-ideal move to prevent getting stuck. Persistence is key to becoming a block puzzle master.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.